Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to retweet a tweet without actually retweeting it. And so it's rather simple. Now the steps are different on the phone, but we will be telling you as well. First off, let's look for the post you want to share. Now for example, I want to share this tweet and it is a YouTube link. Now normally if you're on mobile, look for the share button and then go to copy link. In my case, for the PC, I will simply copy this link, create a post, paste the link, and we are good to go. Now, some videos may not show the video. I think it depends on the type or length, but as of now, that is the only way to avoid directly retweeting a tweet. And so if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.